In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. If you use ClickUp to manage tasks and GitHub to manage code, connecting the two can save time and keep your work in sync. I'll walk you through the entire process and share a few quick tips so everything goes smoothly. Start in ClickUp. Look to the top left corner and click your workspace name to open the menu. From there, choose App Center. This is the central hub where you'll find all the available integrations for your workspace. If you don't see App Center, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage apps. Once the App Center opens, select the Apps section. This page lists the services you can connect to ClickUp. It's a good place to explore other tools as well, but for now, we're focusing on GitHub. Use the search bar to find GitHub, then click on GitHub from the results. You're looking for the official GitHub app that connects your repositories to ClickUp tasks, allowing updates like commits and pull requests to be visible directly within your workflow. Next, click Connect. A new window or tab will prompt you to log into your GitHub account if you're not already signed in. After logging in, you'll see a screen asking you to authorize ClickUp. Click Authorize ClickUp to grant access. This permission allows ClickUp to read and link activity from your repositories. If you work within a GitHub organization, you may need an admin to approve the app. If that's the case, simply proceed and follow your organization's standard approval process. Make sure you're using the correct GitHub account before authorizing. After authorization, you'll return to ClickUp to enable the integration. Select the repositories you want to connect. You can choose just the ones tied to your current projects, which helps keep things organized and avoids unnecessary noise. If your team works across multiple repos, pick only those that will actually feed updates into the ClickUp spaces and tasks you use. You can always return to these settings later to add or remove repositories as your projects evolve. When you're satisfied with the selection, click Save. That's all you need to establish the connection. From here, your team can reference commits, branches, and pull requests directly in ClickUp, helping you track progress without jumping between tools. If you ever need to adjust permissions or swap repositories, revisit the App Center and update your GitHub settings. And that's how you integrate ClickUp with GitHub. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.